Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make creamy delicious white sauce pasta. Come now, let's begin. Now to the boiling water add 1 cup of pasta. I have used wheat penne pasta. To this add a pinch of salt followed by 1 tablespoon of oil. Let this boil for 10 to 15 minutes in the low flame. Now strain the water and keep it aside. Now to the pan add half tablespoon of butter and add finely chopped garlic followed by baby corn, chopped capsicum followed by sweet corn. Add some salt. Saute the veggies until crisp and golden brown. Now our veggies are ready. Now we'll keep it aside. Now let's prepare the sauce. To the pan add 1.5 cube of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour. Stir it until completely it mixes with butter. Now keep adding full fat milk in batches. I'm using 1 cup of full fat milk. Keep stirring it continuously so that the lumps are not formed. You can also use the whisker to whisk it. Now you can see the texture, which is creamy and smooth. Now at this time add 1 cheese slice. You can also use cheese cube. Whisk it continuously until smooth. Make sure it is done in low flame. Add some amount of water. You can use the boiled pasta water. Mix it completely. Make sure the sauce is neither too thick nor thin. Now I'll show how to test whether the sauce consistency is perfect or not. For this, take a spoon, coat backside of the spoon with the sauce. Make a line with your finger. If the line is stable and firm, then the sauce is perfect. Now to this, add pinch of salt and add 1.5 tablespoon of oregano seasoning, half tablespoon of chili flakes and 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder. Now mix them completely. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. This is optional. Now our creamy smooth sauce is ready. To this I am adding vegetables. Mix completely with the sauce. Add boiled pasta. Mix it completely. Now cook this for 5 more minutes. Now our creamy, delicious white sauce pasta is ready. Now let's plate it. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.